Good morning, my viewers all over the world. It's nice speaking with you again. Today we'll be talking about me. We'll be talking about me. So in summary, based on everything we see here, in summary, the word mean means you just need to add up all the values, then you divide by the number of values you have. So in this case, you can see these are all the values. These are all the money spent. This is an example. These are all the money spent. So what you just need to do is to add all the numbers together. Once you add them together, you get 16. Then you divide it by the number, then you divide by the number of the values you have here. So by the time you add all this, you get 16, then you divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 16 divided by 5 will give us 3.2. I repeat, this is just the summary. The summary is you add up all the values you have, then you divide by the number of the values, and you get your answer correctly. So let's move on to the next slide. Yeah, this is classwork. This is a classwork we are asked to look at. Because of time, we'll look at, okay, let's try this. Let's try this first three here. We'll try numbers question 1A, B, and C. And I will encourage learners to have a go. Then we'll try other numbers. Okay, then we'll try question number 5. We'll try question number 5. So let's start. We'll try question 1A, B, C, and question 5. So question 5 is somehow related to question 6 and 7. They are related. So what we just need to do is to go through questions 1A, B, and C together and question 5. So question 1A, find the mean for each of the set of data below. 1A. So what you just need to do is you add up the values you have. That will be 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 divided by the total number they are. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 7 give us 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, that will be 35 divided by 5. So our mean value will be 7. Mean value will be 7. Then we'll take question 1b. Question 1b states that 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 12 plus 7 plus 4 divided by 7. So let's see what the values will be. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3 will be 19. 19 plus 12. 19 plus 12 is 31. 31 plus 7 is 38. 38 plus 4 will give us 42. divided by 7. 42 divided by 7, that's 6. Then let's try the next one. That's 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, let me clean it. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus another 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by how many are they? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 13. So let's add together. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 3, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 1, 26. So that's 26 divided by 13 will give us 2. So we've looked at questions 1A, B, and C. So we encourage learners to have a go at this. Okay, let's look at G. G has negative numbers. So let's look at G once more. So that will be 9 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 5 plus 0 divided by how many values you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. So let's have a go. So this is 9 plus minus 3. That will be 9 minus 3 will give us 6. 6 plus minus 6, that will be 6 minus 6 will give us 0. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. So the total of this will be 5 divided by 5. That will give us 1. So I encourage my learners to have a go at other questions. So we've been able to look at questions 1A, B, C, and G. So I will encourage learners or viewers to practice D, E, F, H, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 6, and question 7. So let's have a go on question 5. So once you've done that, you move to the next slide to cross-check your answers. But that is a lot, I believe. Once you cross check your answer and do that correctly, if there's any form of mistake, you correct yourselves and you keep practicing as we approach closer to the exam dates. So let's read question 5 together. Say a mean of four numbers is 10. Three of the numbers are 9, 11, and 7. Work out the fourth number. So what it's trying to tell us is a mean of four numbers is 10, but we know three numbers. So that will be 9 plus 11 plus 7 plus, let's assume we call the missing number y because we don't know what it is, divided by how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And we are told that the mean of the four numbers is 10. For one reason or the other, we don't know the fourth number. So we are asked to find the fourth number. So this is an equation. We formed an equation. You can put this over 1 for simplicity sake. To solve this, we look at these numbers. So what we need to do is to add up the ones we have already. So that's 7 plus, no, sorry, 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27 plus, we don't know the value of the fourth one. You can add it there, over 4 is equal to 10 over 1. Why I did this is to let you also know that any number that stands on its own, you can put it over 1, because such number divided by 1 will give you the same number. So in this case, 10 divided by 1 will always give us 10 also. So for simplicity's sake, it's advisable you do this. So now remember, we're given four numbers. Unfortunately, we have only three of them, and we are told that the fourth one, we don't know what it is, but all we are told, the information we are given is the mean of four numbers is equal to 10. Find the fourth number. And we've been given the first three numbers as 9, 11, 7. So what we just needed to do is to add the numbers we have, and divided by 4 will be equal to 10. So the next step we need to do is to form an equation. This can give us an equation. So what we needed to do, we can cross multiply. Because of this equality sign, you cross multiply. You cross multiply. So that will be 27 plus y is equal to 4 times 10 will give us 14. That will make y the subject because we are trying to find the value of y. So that's y is equal to 14. If 27 crosses the equality sign, it changes. Remind you, this is positive 27. So if it crosses the equality sign, it changes to negative. Now be minus 27. Our value for y will be 40 minus 27 will give us 13. We can cross check our answer to see if we are correct. So that will be 9 plus 11 plus 7 plus 13. Let's imagine 13 is here, which we've gotten. So 9 plus 11 is 20 plus 7. 27 plus 13 will give us 40. So 40 divided by 4 will give us 10. We are correct. The fourth number is 13. So I encourage my learners or viewers to have a go at other numbers we did not touch. Then you move on to the next slide to cross-check your answers. Question 5 is 13 correct? This is correct. What we did, correct, correct, and G. Question G is correct. So we looked at question A, B, and C, 1G, and question 5. So we've completed questions on mean. So what I mean is we've checked our answers, we've checked the questions we answered, and they are all correct. So I encourage my learners to have a go on the previous slide, then come to the answer slide to cross-check the answer. And please do that honestly. So let's move on. We are looking at range. In simple terms, in summary of these, range simply means the highest value minus the lowest value. So what you just needed to do is to look for the highest value. You take it away from the lowest value. So that will be 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Let's look at some exercises we can have before us. As usual, because of time and space, I won't complete all the exercises. I will encourage learners to have a go at this. So we'll look at question 1A, then we'll look at negative numbers here. So we'll look at 1G, then question 2. So I encourage learners to have a go at the other ones. Question 1. Remember, find the range of the following. For question 1, what we just needed to do is to look for the highest number. Remember, range means highest minus lowest. So the highest number here is 5 minus, what's the lowest value here is 1. So 9 minus 1 will give us 8, which is correct. Then we look at 1G. The highest value here is 6 minus the lowest value here. Please don't be deceived. The lowest value here is minus 8. Please don't be deceived. The lowest value is minus 8. So that will be 6. Negative will give us plus 8. That will be, the answer is 14. Good. Let's look at question 2 here. Question 2 says the range of a list of numbers is 7. The smallest value is 4. What is the largest value in the list? The smallest value is 4 and the range for a list of numbers is 7. In other words, we don't know y being the highest value. So we are solving for y. To solve for y, that will be 7. Once the negative 4 crosses the equality sign, changes to positive 4. So the value for our y is 11. In other words, if you replace y with 11, so 11 minus 4 will give us 7, so that fits in here. Once we've done this, so let's move on to the next slide to cross check our answer. Yeah, question 1 is correct. We had to go with 1G is correct. Then this 2 is correct. So we've come to the end of this session. We've been able to look at how to solve mean and range as it's related to main numbers. So have a go, practice this so that you deepen your knowledge on mean and range. In the next session, we'll be looking at mode and median. Thank you very much. Keep practicing so that you can stand a better chance to get good marks as we approach the exams. If you have any question, you can post it on the comment section. I'll be more than happy to respond to your concerns. Thank you very much. And this is your regular host, Valentine. Bye.